Everywhere I go in Sicily, I see my Norman DNA, up on the hills down to house facades. And now I'm driving to Gangi with Norman origins, and I park by the Chiesa San Paolo. This is a small town filled with churches. This is an old monastery from 700, demolished 1934 for a school, but the church got fully restored 1738. As you can see, orphans and nuns were strictly separated from all the masses. This is the main church and has Arab and Norman origins, and then passed all the following eras to the contemporary era. And the tower, the Mentiviglia, is from 1429. Walking on these streets and looking around, it's fun to find these places like Capracanta, and Fabrizio Fazio are making tambourines the original local way. Gangi is situated 1,000 meters above sea level with a population of 6,100. Here they also sell houses for €1 due to the strong depopulation. Well, these houses I would rather call total fixer-uppers with legal conditions. The name Gangi comes from the old Greek name of Sicily.